Hello students, today we are going to start the inverse of a complex number. Okay, so now inverse of a complex number. First is additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of a complex number. Let us consider any complex number. Let Z be a complex number. Let Z be any complex number. Then additive inverse of this complex number Z, then additive inverse of this complex number Z is minus Z. That is, अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा तो this comes out to be 0. For example, if Z is equal to 3 minus 5 iota, then its additive inverse, then its additive inverse will be equal to minus Z. तो Z आपके पास ये है तो एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? माइनस Z, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ 3 minus 5 iota, which is equal to minus 3 plus 5 iota. Now if we add, then that is minus Z. अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करूं, that is 3 minus 5 iota, 3 minus 5 iota plus minus 3 plus 5 iota. So this becomes minus 3 plus 5 iota. तो ये आपका 0 आ जाएगा. So additive inverse of any complex number is negative of that complex number. And next one is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse inverse of a complex number. Let us consider Z be any complex number. ये हमने कोई complex number ले लिया. Then multiplicator inverse of complex number Z is 1 by Z. That is, if we multiply them Z into 1 by Z, this will be equal to 1. इसको हम ऐसा भी लिखते हैं, or we can write it as Z into Z power minus 1, that is Z into Z inverse is equal to 1. For example, the multiplicator inverse of Z is equal to 4 minus 2 iota is given by, क्या हो जाएगा, that is 1 by z which is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 2 iota. So this is the multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of any complex number is the reciprocal of that complex number. Now since we also write 1 by z, we can also write 1 by z as z power minus 1. So this becomes 1 upon 4 minus 2 iota. Now since this is not in standard form, जब भी हम कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर निकालते हैं या कोई भी रिजल्ट निकालते हैं और वो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की फॉर्म में आता है, तो इट्स अ अप्रोच कि वी ऑलवेज राइट दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर इन इट्स स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. अभी ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है, तो अब इसको हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. वी रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर 4 plus 2i. So z inverse will be equal to 4 plus 2i upon, it will be 16 plus 4. So z inverse will be 4 plus 2i upon 20. So it is written as 4 by 20 plus iota times 2 by 20. So this is 1 by 5 plus iota 1 by 10. Now this is this is of the form a plus iota b or x plus iota y. So this is in standard form, and the inverse or multiplicative inverse of this complex number is 1 by 5 plus iota 1 by 10. Now अब ये तो आपको पता लग गया कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का जो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होता है हम कैसे निकालते हैं. नाउ देयर इज वन प्रॉपर्टी आल्सो ऑफ फाइंडिंग द इनवर्स. That is, z inverse is also given by z conjugate upon mod of z square. So that is multiplicative inverse. This is multiplicative inverse is also given by this relation z conjugate upon mod of z square. हम ऐसे भी multiplicative inverse को find out कर सकते हैं. For example, we have to find multiplicative inverse of complex number 5 minus 2 iota. हमने इसका multiplicative inverse निकाल रहे हैं. और let's take another example. Let's say 3 minus 4 iota. हम ये ले लेते हैं. So it is 3 minus 4 iota. हम इसका multiplicative inverse निकालते हैं. So this can be either z is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 4 iota. तो z inverse हो जाएगा, z is 3 minus 4 iota, तो z inverse will be 1 upon 3 minus 4 iota. Write it in the standard form. You just rationalize the denominator to get the, so it will be 3 plus 4 iota upon 9 plus 16. So z inverse is given by 3 upon 25 plus 4 upon 25 iota. So one method is this. Now let's check the inverse by using this relation. Now you know what is conjugate. Conjugate of this complex number is 3 plus 4 iota, and modulus of this complex number is 9 plus 16, which is equal to 5, and mod of z square, it will be 25. Now z inverse is given by z conjugate upon mod of z square. So z inverse is 3 plus 4 iota upon 25. So z inverse is 3 by 25 plus 4 upon 25 iota. So this is how we can find the multiplicative inverse, either by just reciprocating the complex number or by using the result of the complex number. So this is all about the inverse of a complex number. Thank you.